Okay, so cruiser exhaust. Uh, let's begin. This is 76 mil, 57, and a few 90s, so we can see if we can make this box fit somewhere. This actually has to be coming out at the 90, almost like this one. But this is too big, so we have to cut this one in pie cuts or do some modifications there to make it exit. But yes, so I think we're gonna begin. Let's first take up all the parts going inside. Sorry, there's no light and stuff. I will put the lighter on charge now, then we can check. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so I made the 90 going into a Y. I have the other section, so we're gonna quickly weld that one together. It's a straight piece coming into a 90. I will show you now. Yes, this, as you can see, the branches was ceramic coated, and the flange that connects to the branch was also ceramic coated. It was giving me struggles to weld it because the ceramic coating, yeah, it takes a while to heat up, and then the stainless steel has already melted. So it was a struggle to get it melted, so you can see some of the welds. It's not the best, but it will work. Let me show you the other piece. Didi is also helping me, as always. So yes, this piece, and then there's the other piece of straight piece with the 90 that must go on. So I marked it where it must go. So I'm quickly gonna take it up and fit it and see how it's looking. We will check it now. Okay, so this one is tagged up. Let's see if it fits. Just see if I can get a better angle there. Okay, around about there. Yep, I think that will work. That will work. That should work. Okay, let's weld that piece. Okay, so I have this one welded. So now it has to go from the pipe into a 76. So this will be the downpipe. I had to cut the 76. Doesn't look great, but we will hit it on its place so we can just properly over this part. So I marked it there where we're gonna tag it so we can see. Then we'll just hit this one back on its spot and weld it nice. Yeah, let's weld this piece. But that one is done, so we can get done with the day.